on Earth?
India?
No.
Finland?
No.
Japan?
No.
Parents and students try to take a guess too. Yes, it's Rush. That was a funny joke. Did you know that the Earth takes 365 and a quarter days to complete its orbit around the Sun? Oh, I didn't know that, but I know that the Earth is 454 billion years old. Did you know that the Earth is 140,500,000 kilometers away from the Sun? Oh, I didn't know that, but did you know that the moon affects the Earth by causing tides? But what are tides? Tides